Jojoba oil ****. Jojoba oil is a natural wax from the jojoba plant in North American deserts. It mimics human sebum, benefiting hair, skin, and wellness. Key details Common name, jojoba oil. Scientific name, Simonsia chinensis. Native region, U.S. Southwest, northern Mexico. Extraction, cold pressed from seeds. Texture, light, silky, non-greasy color, golden yellow. Scent, mild, nutty. Nutrients. Contains vitamin E, vitamin B complex, omega-9 fatty acids, wax esters, plant sterols, antioxidants. Hair benefits. Deeply moisturizes without greasiness. Alleviates dryness and irritation. Strengthens hair to reduce split ends. Adds smoothness and shine. Hydrated hair resists damage. Forms a protective barrier. Skin benefits. Mimics natural oils for hydration. Regulates excess oil in skin. Softens and smooths dry skin. Improves skin texture and glow. Protects against free radicals. Reduces moisture loss. Health benefits. For external use only. Not for ingestion. Maintains healthy skin and offers antioxidant protection. Usage. For hair. Apply 3-5 drops to damp or dry hair. For skin. Apply 2-3 drops on clean skin, massage gently. For nails. Massage 1 drop into nails daily. Suitable for all skin types, dry, oily, combination, sensitive. All hair types, dry, curly, frizzy, damaged. Precautions. Conduct a patch test. For external use only. Store in a cool, dry place. Discontinue if irritation occurs. Interesting facts. Thrives in extreme heat. Resembles skin sebum as a liquid wax. Naturally resistant to oxidation. Prevents heaviness while balancing moisture. Common in moisturizers and serums.